I think I'm pausing it. I think I'm recording it. Eat that. Eat it. Eat it with a girl. Eat it. Yeah. You're so good. You're not even making me force feed you now, are you? You like boiled eggs, huh? Yeah. Get you a little more. Get you a little more. Whoopsie. No, you're trying to eat it through the package, aren't you? Good job, babe. Good job. I'm proud. Abby's proud. Get that big chunk right there. Whoopsie, get that big chunk right there. Okay. Let's get your other little mesh cage ready.
The kid wasn't sleeping. The kid was dead.
Yeah, get that stuff.
We'll go to a stretcher.